So our categories for today is Supreme Herb, Superior Herb, Mid, and Reggie, and we are ranking spices and herbs. So here we go. Allspice. I don't even know why I started with allspice, but I'm telling you right now, this shit is so goddamn dog shit, dude. I don't ever, and I mean ever, want to catch this in anything. Okay, allspice is so fucking terrible. Thai basil, what's the difference between regular basil? Never had it. 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 Horseradish. Oh my god, this shit is so fucking dog shit. Okay, if you eat horseradish, you need a fucking counselor. I really wish my neighbors would shut up. Anyway, juniper berries, they aight. Mace, I've never had this, but considering it's named after fucking pepper spray, I don't think I want to. Rosemary is so dog shit. Okay, I don't really want to go into it, other than the fact that this shit. I had a Triscuit once, and it was the rosemary kind. Never again. I the what? I don't know. Sorry, Annie's never had it, but I've heard of it. Never had it. Never had it. Never had it. Jesus Christ. Turmeric. It's good in curry. I'll put it in superior. White pepper. I don't know. I've only had black pepper. Rose. I can't name a single thing I've had that had rose in it. Basil. It's mid. I'm sorry, guys, but basil just tastes like you're munching on a like slightly minty leaf. Not even minty. Like I don't know. Black cardamom. Debating on putting it in mid or superior herb. We'll put it in mid. Never had coriander. Also good in curry. We'll put that in there. Curry leaf. I mean, it's good in curry. Dill seed. I do like me a pickle, but I don't know, man. We'll put it in superior herb. Okay, lime leaf. Um, Shit's mid. Nutmeg. The shit is only. Name one goddamn thing you can put nutmeg in other than a fucking drink that's seasonal. Like, the only time I can picture nutmeg being good in anything is fucking eggnog and hot chocolate. Parsley. Um, Superior herb. Yeah. Poppy seeds. I don't know, guys. It's got the name Poppy in it. No, I'm just playing. Poppy seeds, they're good. Sichuan pepper. Put it in mid. Time, let me tell you, I've got too much time on my fucking hands, and that's why I'm making this video at fucking 11:36 p.m. on a school night. Time's a good herb. Bay leaf. I think that might be our first supreme herb. Cardamom. We'll put it in mid. Never had that. Cilantro. Fuck. Okay. I do like cilantro. So we'll put it in superior herb. Dill. I do like me a pickle. But I don't know. We'll put it in superior herb. There with the dill seed. Garlic powder. That's an easy supreme herb. Ginger. Ginger can go with a lot of things. But also same thing with the seasonal shit. But it's slightly better than nutmeg. Okay, so we'll put it in superior herb. Lemongrass. Lemongrass is okay. Okay, this one's a little tricky. Okay, because this shit will give you fucking type 9 diabetes if you eat too much of this shit. Okay, MSG is great. The problem is that it gets you real fucking fat, but it's good in a lot of shit. So we'll put it in superior herb. I'm not gonna put it in supreme herb just because of how fucking crazy it is. Mustard. This shit is supreme. Sesame Street. No. Superior herb. Onion powder, easy supreme herb. Spearmint, it's kind of like peppermint, but like not. I don't. If I'm really being honest, it's just a slightly sweeter peppermint. Honestly, I'll put it in mid. Vanilla, easy supreme. Black pepper, also easy supreme. Cacao, easy supreme. We're getting up there. Chili powder, that one's going to the front. Okay. Chili powder, as a Mexican, it's great. Chive goes on a lot of good shit, but I wouldn't say that it's supreme, so we'll go with superior. Cinnamon, supreme. I don't want to give out too many supremes. Cloves, they're mid. Cumin, superior. Garlic, that's an easy supreme. Oregano, that's also a supreme. Paprika, oh my god, we're just going with the bangers here. Damn. We'll put it in superior. Okay. Peppermint, that's better than spearmint, honestly. It's like way better than spearmint. Sage. Witches. Supreme herb. Salt. Let's be real here, okay? It's going in supreme. Wasabi. Oh, I do love me some wasabi with some sushi. We'll put it in supreme. Alright guys, so that's my herb and spices tier list. I hope you guys liked it. Yeah.